What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today I would like you guys to meet the Maserati Furiosa. Now with the MC20 Maserati's mid-engine supercar coming out in just 2 weeks from today, we've seen what Maserati is kind of gearing towards when it comes to styling and performance. And with the Maserati Gran Turismo redesigns coming in the next year, seeing concepts with what could be that replacement along the way is very intriguing right now. Now, gearhead and graphic designer Dmitry Marikov believes that this house of Trident could use a bit more aggressive styling for the next generation of the Gran Turismo, and this is where the Furiosa enters the scene. This was rendered to be a lovely coupe that appears before your eyes as a two-seater or a common 2+2 layout. Now when you think about this, it makes a lot of sense. Why add weight to the vehicle of 2 additional seats when they really aren't suitable for even teenagers? That's kind of what the Gran Turismo did. Those 2 little seats in the back that really, it was very hard to fit in. You could, but it was very hard to fit in it. Weren't really necessarily needed. Now the area behind the front seats is better suited for luggage, which is exactly what the Gran Tour stands for, in addition to a comfortable ride and above average performance. Check out the glass panel built into the roof. It's a nice touch that doesn't affect the structural rigidity of the vehicle, and the Furiosa doesn't shy away from showing us its Maserati badge up front and at the rear, along with a more aggressive interpretation of the Maserati grille. Now, the Go Faster theme carries over from the rear bumper's chrome strips and the 4 exhaust pipe system. Now, the front sides and rear are focused on aero, like you would expect, and given the car's proportions, it really appears that Dmitry went for a front mid-engine layout like Ferrari did with the Roma. But with taillights and Levante-inspired headlights are also featured, along with oversized wheels that feel the wheel wells perfectly. One could guess what could be under the hood of this Furiosa. Well, Maserati has 6 and 8-cylinder mills at its disposal, along with a 4-cylinder hybrid. But electrification doesn't appear to be the case here. The Nettuno twin-turbo V6 of the Maserati MC20 supercar is a tempting proposition if the House of Trident can modify it for a front engine application, packing 630 PS or 621 horsepower and 730 newton meters or 538 pound-feet of torque from 3 liters. So what do you guys think of the Furiosa? I think the name really goes with the design on this one. Think about it. Furiosa translates to furious in English, and this is a furious looking car. It's a very aggressive, very sharp, angular, aerodynamic car. Think about seeing something like this in your rear view mirror and seeing it coming at you. Now, no Fast and the Furious jokes here. I guess that's just what this represents. It's furious, it's elegant, it's aggressive, it's sharp, and it's beautiful. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion of the Maserati Furiosa design. Now, with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, check down the links below. I do have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, for my Venmo, and for my Cash App in case you guys want to donate anything to the channel. You can also check out my Patreon subscription as well, be a monthly subscriber, or check out the Ron's Rides merch where you can get a t-shirt, stickers, you get coffee mugs, phone cases, everything like that. And follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, everything social media where I post Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, you guys gotta subscribe, but after you subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox and you won't miss one. But guys, with that said, be blessed, take care, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.